Back when I first qualified 16 years ago, most people perceived the pharmacist as a bit of a glorified shopkeeper. We got a shopping list from a doctor and gave the person exactly what was on that list. Complete change now, and it's very much a service-driven and patient-led service.
The environment is changing considerably that pharmacists practice in. Medicines are changing, and so the guidance as to how a patient is going to respond to a medicine is important.
We've got this wonderful opportunity to work closely with the School of Pharmacy and with Well. So that's provided a great experience for the pharmacy students here at Keele University. By working here, they're going to be able to gain first-hand experience working in community pharmacy. They get to hit the ground running when they qualify.
Compared to some of the other people who are on the course who don't have this experience, I feel like I've learned a lot more because they've just had the course and the lessons, whereas I've actually had hand-on experience.
The experience here is completely different to anything you get at any other university. It's completely invaluable. You're actually in a real situation where you're interacting with a real person with a real problem. You're getting to know them on a one-to-one basis.
The university is providing the clinical skills and we are providing the practical experience so that pharmacists of the future are able to cope and rise to the clinical challenges that they are given.
This is a unique initiative at this university. We don't have another UK campus university that has an on-site pharmacy.
What is also important is that the relationship and the collaboration with Well enables us to discuss together the environment in which we're practicing, and as a result, build into our course what is required to prepare the pharmacist for the future.
No other branch employs as many students as what we do and gives them as many opportunities to get involved in the running of the pharmacy as we do. So it's both a healthcare and a development branch, which makes it unique.
The clinical skills suite is very beneficial for Keele and for Well because it's giving students an edge. It's giving students something unique.
Having this facility here, when we do dispensing classes, we get to actually use the consultation rooms, get to talk to the patients, get to treat them.
It's really useful for us having cameras and TV screens because when we're coming in to address the patient, we can look at our performance. How do we present ourselves? It allows us to see things from the patient's perspective. We're doing it from our point of view, the patient's point of view. We can't really go wrong.
It really gives you that experience to make you a better pharmacist.
I knew when I came to Keele I was going to be in a good situation, a good outcome by the end of the Masters, because there's so many options available to us. Now with the Well Pharmacy we've got opportunities open to them.
It's not just about going to your lectures and doing your exams, it's about interacting with the outside world, making sure you actually know what it's like to work in a different environment. And it's not even just having a community environment, it's also hospital and maybe even industry.
It's invaluable experience that you're going to need as a pharmacist.